Bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk about us normalizing wearing natural styles with elegant looks for the month of February and parts of March. Was it the whole month? No. So for the last 2 weeks of February and possibly the first 2 weeks of March, my hair has been and is going to be in these Marley twists. I have gone on a couple dinners, I have been out and about, and being on my feminine journey, I want to look super feminine, right? So this video is going to help the girls out there who want to look more feminine with a natural protective style or with their natural hair. The first thing is, I think that the longer the hair, the more feminine you look. If you have natural locks and they're short, you can still make it super cute and look super feminine in its shorter state. If you're doing a protective style, I suggest either going longer or just a little bit bigger than you normally would. First style we're going to be talking about is straight down the middle, hair down. This is a very, very basic look, okay? Second look is going to be on the side, bringing everything over, and when you have the length, it just flows, you feel me? So all the way on the side, and you can do this as deep as you want to. You want to make sure that your hair, because you're using, I'm assuming most of you are using synthetic hair to braid your hair. Synthetic hairs tend to trap smells very easily. So if you're cooking at home a lot, if you're out around smokers a lot, whatever the case is, it traps smells. If you've ever been outside, if you've ever been outside, when you go outside, outside has a smell. You know, people, you walk inside a house and they're like, oh, you smell like outside? That's a real thing. So what I like to do is body sprays that I no longer use, I put that on my braids. One of my favorite ones, Passion Struck by Victoria's Secret. This one here is tried and true, an oldie but a goodie. I spray from where I believe my natural hair stops all the way down, because it does have alcohol in there and we don't want alcohol on our natural hair because that's going to just dry it out even more. So I take this, shake it up, and just spray it along the length of my hair so that wherever you are, if you're talking to someone, hugging someone, this is what they smell and not anything else, right? This, oh my gosh, I love this so much. It smells so good on my hair. It went in my mouth. And because I don't use this on my body, it's just perfect, right? So that is my like braid hair perfume, right? They do make actual hair perfumes, but if you don't want to use your expensive perfumes on braiding synthetic hair that you know, that costs like $6 or so, that is my suggestion for you, spraying your hair with that. And that smelling good, looking good makes you, you know, even more feminine. Another tip for looking super feminine with your braided hair, natural hairstyles, is make sure that you have a nice beat face. The prettier you are, it's just how it works. It's just how it is. The prettier you look, the more feminine you're going to look. The feminine girls are naturally more appealing to the eye. So if you're someone like me who needs to, you know, enhance certain areas, go ahead and do that. Another style that I love to do from there would be the half up, half down. And we do it like so. I believe I have a picture with my hair like this. We do it like so. We get a hair tie. Where's my hair tie? Oh my gosh, you guys, I left my hair tie. Give me a second. Gosh, a second. Okay. So with your hair tie, this is super simple. Half up, half down. In doing this, it pulls the hair up, obviously. No, but what I'm saying is like it pulls your face, like it makes it look super taut and high and hoity-toity. If you have a naturally snatched face, this may or may not work out in your favor, but you know, I like that look because I don't have a naturally snatched face. So having my hair half up, half down in this cute little style helps to achieve that look and have you look super feminine. Oof, gosh, this is a workout. All right, oh my God. Can you see the top of my head? I think I got some of the back ones in there. Oh my gosh. Try to. Oh my gosh. All right, let me see here. I think we got too much in the top, you guys. But I think we got too much in the top. What's happening here? All right, I think we got it now. There we go. All right, and you would do this with either box braids or knotless braids, or like I have the Marley twist. And the Marleys, you can go with something longer, something shorter. With my Marley twist this time, I put some water wave curls on the end like I did with my butterfly locks. I just twisted them at the end to give it an extra touch of that little girly look, right? Right. So here we are with our half up, half down, right? And then I would just kind of poof right here. I can't really tell what's happening with my hair because I can barely see in the viewfinder what's happening. Okay. All right, and then I like to have these two out. So it's giving princess, it's giving cheerleader, it's giving super girly girl, right? There's that. And then, you know, of course, you want to either brush in or do your baby hairs however you do them. Whatever fits you, you know, go with that. It doesn't have to be super dramatic. It can always be brush everything back and then just a little wispies. I like mine like a little wispy in the front. I did try to do the heavy baby hair thing and it just, honestly, it just wasn't for me at all, especially on my natural hairline. If it's a wig, I'll, you know, I'll push the limits with it. But for this, I like it like that. Right? Right. So that is hairstyle number 3. So middle part was the first one. Side part was the second. Half up, half down is the third. Into our fourth super feminine hairstyle with your natural hair. Now, when you're going for these looks, oh my goodness. I find that, oh my gosh, a couple of them will be heavy, especially if you have your hair as long as mine. I find that dresses or tops that show off your shoulders or your neckline or something strapless, it amplifies the look. It makes you look even more feminine than if you were to do like a t-shirt or a turtleneck or something like that. While, you know, in the grand scheme of things, the big picture, it look fine. But I feel like, especially if you're looking here, right, which is the first thing most people see, like right here, I find that either a spaghetti strap or if it has, what are these called? I just said it. If it has straps, like a nice square neck, something rounded, like I said, a strapless like I'm wearing right now, it makes the look more elegant, right? Or if you're going to do sleeves, those poofy sleeves, but again with like a square neckline, super cute. So the next hairstyle, and this one I love doing, is bringing everything to the top. Actually, all of these I love doing. All of these. So I can't even say that. So I bring everything up to the top as high as possible. And I did this for my friend's birthday dinner. Her name is Cash. Shout out to you, boo. We went to a steakhouse for her birthday and I was wearing a little black dress, my little black heels, and I had my hair up in a super big bun like this. Now this is not one, it's one of the more heavier ones, but it's not the heaviest, right? And then because it has the little curls on the end of my hair, If you want, you could leave a few of those curls out. You could tuck the whole thing in. That again is a personal choice, but I feel like this looks so gorgeous, so elegant, so regal. I look like a super, super, super pretty girl. Super, super pretty black girl to boot. All right, so yeah, this is another look. If you want, you can, this is where you can jump in with your little gold or silver jewelry on the braids themselves. You could do pearls, you could do hairpins with the pearls on there, stick it into your bun. That would be super, super cute. I think this, and this again, it shows off your neckline. Wear dainty jewelry, or you know, a bust down Cuban necklace or something really, really nice, something sparkly, something that's going to draw the attention to your neckline, your collarbone, your shoulders, all that good stuff. This also gives you that snatched face look. The brows, everything is pulled back. Again, you want to make sure that your face is upbeat, because you know, pretty girls are just pretty girls. Pretty girls are just pretty girls. All right. So the next look I'm going to do, I had my hair like this for my friend Gabriella's birthday. Shout out to you, boo. So for this one, I take a scarf. This one I feel like is one of the girliest looks you're ever gonna try, right? So again, we're pulling everything back. And you could do this with a hair tie, but I have so much hair, right? So get everything back as much as possible. Take the scarf and you're bringing the hair up to the middle of your head. Not too high, but definitely not too low, right? Again, we're going for super girly, super cute, very much cheerleader energy. Now this is going to be the heaviest hairstyle. Initially, you're not gonna feel it as much, but as the night, the evening, the day, the afternoon progresses, you're going to feel it, babes. And when you take it down, you're gonna look super sexy, like doing it. It's gonna be so gorgeous. So you do that, you bring it all back, and then you make this into a bow. A bow.
He told me throw it back. A bow.
Like so.
A bow. A bowel.
You see, this viewfinder is giving, oh my gosh, it's making me see the opposite thing. So it looks like I'm doing foolishness, but I promise you I'm not. So about.
He told me throw it back.
About. Which side am I pulling? Pulling this side. See what I mean? Almost the same thing again. All right, so I need this piece to come down some more. There we go. And it's still not even, but you get the idea. So this is her. You pull, you tighten what you need to tighten. And again, once your baby hairs and stuff are all aligned, you're good to go. And that's it there. That is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th look. We did 5 hairstyles, and there are so many more looks you could do, but these are my top 5 ready to go, super easy hairdos to do with your natural protective styles. So if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you have any questions if you have any hairstyles that you love to do with your protective styles, if you have any hairstyles that you love to do with your natural hair, leave them in the comment section below. As far as natural hair goes, I think I'll do a whole separate video on that itself. This one's mainly for like protective styles, honestly, but you could probably do it with natural hair as well. No, we're gonna do a separate video for natural hair. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Until you see how my head bob in, oh God, I can feel it already right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.